Okay, good morning. This is Madanachari, contact lecturer working at GPW Jokipet. Okay, in the previous class, we have just learned what is simple present, and what is the structure of the simple present. What is the structure of the simple present, and about the subjects, and about the extra addings to the V1 means according means about the structure also. Okay, now in this class we will start with the clues of the simple present tense. Okay, here according to the grammar we have specified a few clues for each and every tense. Okay, means based on the clues we can easily identify the tense of the sentence. Means if we have a sentence, by using the clue we can easily identify the sentence belongs to which tense. Okay, here we have a few clues, we should go through it. Okay, the clues are always, every, never, normally, now and then, accordingly, occasionally, often, rarely, seldomly, seldom, sometimes, usually, always. Okay, means simply every day, every week, every month, every year, often, frequently, rarely, regularly, commonly, usually, naturally. Okay, we may use these are all the clue words of the simple present tense. These are all the clue words of the simple present tense. Here the simple present tense, by using the simple present we are going to make a few sentences. Here the simple present tense is used to express habits, general truths, repeated actions, or unchanging situations, emotions, and wishes. I smoke. I smoke. Okay, smoking is the habit of that person. Smoking is the habit of that person. So that he use I smoke. I smoke. Means here, if we observe the sentence, first we should get the confirmation whether we are using the structure or whether we are implementing that structure in that sentence. Okay, here according to the simple present tense we should use the structure subject plus verb plus verb 1 object. Okay, means here I is the subject and smoke is the verb 1. Okay, so that we will get the confirmation. Okay, we have used the structure in this sentence. And the second one is I work in London. Unchanging situation. London is a large city. This is the general truth. Okay, like this. Next, to give instruction or directions. You walk for 200 meters, then you turn left. Okay, means these are all the already we have learned the instructions of the simple present tense. So that apart from these instructions, we are making the sentences in simple present tense. Go straight. You go straight and take left turn, take right turn. Okay, like this. These are all the directions. Okay, then to express a future time after some conjunctions, after, when, before, as soon as, until. He will give to you when you come next Sunday. Let me see here the sentences may be used for the future instructions also. here we have a few examples. For habits, already we discussed habits. Habits means the person one who do regularly. The person one who do regularly means he drinks tea at breakfast. She only eats fish. They watch television regularly. I wake up at 5 a.m. I wake up at 5 a.m. every day. Okay, these are all the habits. These are all the habits. Every day I pray to God. Every day I pray to the God. Means this is the habit. Okay, then for repeated actions or events means the thing which we happened regularly or repeatedly. Means here I catch the bus every morning, and this aspect is going to happen regularly. This aspect is going to happen regularly. Okay, this kind of the things which happen regularly means for repeated actions or events. It rains every afternoon in the hot season. It rains every afternoon in the hot season means this is a repeating action in the hot season. Okay, then the third one is they drive to Monaco every summer. They drive to Monaco every summer means every summer they wants to move to the Monaco. Okay, means it is going on. It is repeated action. So that we should keep that kind of sentences in simple present. For general truths, means they cannot be changed. They cannot be changed. Means for example, the earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. Or the thing, the another sentence is the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. These are all generally happened incident. Generally happening things. Means water freezes at 0 degrees. These are all the general truths. Next, birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. Water flows down. Water flows down. These are all the general truths. Means the general truths may be the general truths. Also, we should say in simple present tense. Then for instructions or direction, already we have discussed. While we are giving the directions or instructions, they should be in simple present tense. Means directions also should be in simple present tense. Open the packet and pour the contents into hot water. Open the packets and pour the contents into the hot water. Okay, next, to take the number 6 bus to Watney and then the number 10 to the Bedford. Okay, means here while we are giving the directions or while we are giving the instructions, we should use the simple present tense. Already I have already said go straight and take left turn. This is a direction. Okay, and open the packet and pour into the water. This is also giving the instructions. Okay, at the time of the examination, everyone bring your hall ticket. Everyone bring your hall ticket. Means here instructions or directions may be in simple present tense. Okay, for fixed arrangement means which is fixed prayer. Means for example, his mother arrives tomorrow. This is the prefixed activity. Okay, this is the prefixed activity. Our holidays starts on the 26th March. This is the prefixed activity. Next, with the future constructions means she will see you before she leaves. Like this, we shall give it to her when she arrives. Okay. Means with the future construction also, we along with the future we may use the simple present tense also. Okay. Okay. Till now we have discussed the uses of the simple present tense as well as a positive sentences or common sentences or assertive sentences in the simple present tense. Now we are going to observe the negative sentence or interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means a question sentence. Okay, if you want to make the negative sentence, if you want to make negative sentence, we should use not. We should use the not. Not reflects the negative sentence. Not cannot come independently. Not cannot come independently. It is always dependent of helping verb. It is always dependent of helping verb. Without helping verb, we cannot use not. Means in negative sentence we should use the not. If you want to use the not in negative sentence, we should use helping verb also. Then what are the helping verbs in simple present tense? Then what are the helping verbs in simple present tense? In simple present we use do, does. In simple present we use do, does as helping verbs in simple present tense. Okay, means the structure of the negative sentence is subject plus helping verb plus not plus V1 plus object. This is the structure of the simple present tense. It's a negative sentence in simple present.